What, is he gone?
Yeah, I think so. Look at that now, fam.
Jeez. Jeez.
Look at that now, fam.
Is this an M4? M5?
Nah, bro, this is a free series, a normal free series. Let's start. Look. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, this is a quick video, but it's just to show the end result of the BMW that we are rebuilding. And as you can see guys, I've been so busy so I wasn't able to fit this up myself, so we had to call in extra help. As you can see here, he was simply just fitting up the front end, which I took off, which I showed you in the previous video how to take off, so obviously everything would go back in reverse order now. Yeah, so here the wings being fitted, and there's only a few bolts that have to be tightened up. It has to be lined up correctly, and this is exactly what he's doing right now. So on the wing there's two bolts at the top that have to be tightened here, which he's doing right now, and this is the line of the bonnet. Furthermore, there's another bolt inside where you have to open the door and get access through opening the door. And once that's open now, you can now tighten that. It's a bit fiddly, but you can get to it with a little extension. As you can see, this part I sped it up kind of quick because I'm simply just changing over the modules. The original modules are modules that came with the light, which are from China, so that wouldn't work with the car. So if you just change it over like this, 9 times out of 10 they should work because the modules are programmed from BMW. So this is simply what I'm doing here. I'm just quickly swapping over all of the modules, and yeah, there's just a few torque screws that are holding it and little clips that you also have to take off and then just swap over. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. Quick and simple process. So now the lights have been fitted and you can see that it's lining up very well. So next, obviously we have to put on the bumper and then get it MOT'd. Slowly, 21-piece bumper. So as you can see here, we're just positioning the car now so that it can get sprayed in the middle of the shop. Basically, I'm going to show you the spraying process, but I'm going to speed it up a bit so that it doesn't bore you. But yeah, we're about to add paint onto it now, so you'll see the transformation and how it's going to look. So now we're just adding the color to the car. As you can see, we have to get every little detail on this because we do not want to miss anything, and then you might see primer marks or other grams that you don't want to see basically. So you have to do this precise and make sure everywhere is covered properly. So now we're putting on lacquer. We call it lacquer. This just adds the shine to it, that shine effect that you see at the end that changes it from matte to gloss. So yeah, as you can see here, that's what we're doing right now. the lights on these. Lights. Woo. Woo. Just done his MOT. All good. Woo. All good, all good. Set for this.
What, is he gone?
Yeah, I think so. Look at that now, fam.
Jeez. Jeez.
Look at that now, fam.
This is an M4. M5.
Nah, bro, this is a 3 Series, a normal 3 Series. Let's start up. Look at the lights. Oh, upgraded lights as well, fitted to it. Crazy. Yeah, stock. Did you see how it looked mashed up before? I was working on it, man. I fitted the new wheels and everything. Friggin' it, man. It's all slippery and that. Man up, watch that thingy.
What's the pull off?
Hold on, hold. Yeah. Upgraded lights still is sick, man. Sick.
When it's on, you gotta watch it.
Lights. Lean. Bex. What? Oh, he's taking it. Lean. There she goes. Over the Christmas hat on and that. You're feeling the Christmas spirit. No man, you're feeling the Christmas spirit.
Santa Claus, you know?
Just from one lower arm. One lower arm does that. What is it?